3 videos, no face, no camera, no audience when I started, and YouTube approved my channel for monetization. Now, before you click away thinking this is another internet fantasy, I am going to show you the exact analytics, the exact tools, and the exact mistakes, including the one that almost got me rejected. In the next 8 minutes, I am walking you through the complete case study. The niche I picked and why, the 3 videos I made, how long each one took, what the algorithm did, and the exact dollar amounts. No course pitch, no link in bio, just the numbers. And I'll be honest with you, what I did is not the typical path. Most Faceless channels take 60 to 80 uploads to get traction. I got lucky with format and timing. So I'll show you what worked and what is realistic, so you can make your own call. Quick context. A Faceless channel is exactly what it sounds like. You never show your face. Voiceover, stock footage, AI-assisted visuals, screen recordings. Channels like Dark5, Watch Mojo, and The Infographic Show have been doing this for years with millions of subscribers. But here is why now is different. In 2025, YouTube paid creators over $20 billion. $20 billion! And Faceless formats now make up 38% of new channels entering the partner program. At the same time, AI tools drop the production cost of a single video to under $20 and a few hours of work. The barrier to entry basically vanished, which means the barrier is no longer making the video, it is making the right video. Step 1. And I cannot stress this enough. This is the decision that matters more than your script, your editing, your thumbnails, all of it combined. Niche selection. Here's why. YouTube does not pay you per video. It pays you per view. And what advertisers pay per view depends on your niche. A finance channel earns $8 to $22 per 1,000 views. An entertainment channel, $1 to $3.50. Same views, 10 times the money. So I picked personal finance for beginners. High CPM, massive search volume, and critically, it works without a face. People do not need to see me to trust a well-researched explanation of how index funds work. I also checked the competition. Not is there competition, there always is. I checked whether the top videos in my sub-niche were beatable. Were they 3 years old, bad thumbnails, low retention? That is your opening. And look, I will save you the mistake I almost made. I originally picked AI news. Cool topic, except the RPM is mid-range, the content expires in 48 hours, and you are competing with channels that upload daily. I switched niches in a single afternoon. Best decision I made. Now, I made 3 videos, and I will break down all 3, but I will tell you right now, video number 2 is the one that broke the algorithm open. It did more in 72 hours than the other 2 did in a month, and the reason why surprised even me. I will get to that. Here is what I actually made. Video 1, how to start investing with $100, 12 minutes long. I used ChatGPT to help outline the script, not to write it word for word, but to structure the key points. Then I rewrote it in my own voice. 11 Labs generated the narration, about $6 a month for the starter plan. Stock footage from Pexels and Pixabay, free. CapCut for editing, also free. Total cost under $10. Total time about 9 hours, because I was learning. Video 2, and here it is. 5 money rules they do not teach you in school. 14 minutes, same stack. But here is what I did differently. I structured it as a countdown. 5 rules building to the most counterintuitive one last. Every section ended with a mini cliffhanger. But rule number 3, this one actually made me angry when I learned it. That retention structure is everything. Video 3, how the rich use debt to get richer. 16 minutes. More advanced topic. I spent extra time on the script because the claims had to be airtight. Cited actual tax code sections. This one was for credibility, to signal to YouTube's review team that this channel produces original, researched content. And that last point matters more than you think, because here is what most people get wrong about AI channels. Okay, pause. Forget the hype for a second. In July 2025, YouTube updated its monetization policies, and the internet lost its mind. YouTube is banning AI channels. Headlines everywhere. Here is what actually happened. YouTube's own editorial head, Renee Ritchie, called it, and I quote, a minor update. The content it targets, mass-produced, repetitive, low-effort spam, was already ineligible for monetization for years. YouTube is not banning AI tools, they are banning lazy AI usage. There's a difference between using AI to help structure a script and hitting generate on 30 identical videos a day. My 3 videos had original scripts, original narration structure, cited sources, and unique commentary. That is what keeps you eligible. And no, you do not need to disclose that you used AI for scripting. Disclosure is only required for realistic synthetic media, deepfakes, voice clones of real people, not a script outline from ChatGPT. So here is the real timeline, no highlight reel. Day 1. Video 1 goes up. 23 views in 48 hours. I am not joking. 23. Most of them were probably me refreshing the page. Day 5. Video 2 drops. And this is where that countdown structure paid off. Average view duration, 7 minutes and 40 seconds on a 14-minute video. 55% retention. YouTube noticed. It started pushing it into suggested feeds. Day 9. Video 2 crosses 2,000 views, then 5,000, then 18,000 in a week. Subscribers start ticking up. 30, 80, 200. Day 14. Video 3 goes live. Not viral, but steady. 400 views in the first day. Day 21, I check YouTube Studio. 1,112 subscribers. Watch hours, 3,400. Full transparency, I hit the fan funding tier first. 500 subs, 3,000 hours, 3 public uploads in 90 days. That unlocks super thanks and memberships, but not ad revenue. For full ad revenue, I needed 4,000 watch hours. I crossed that at day 26, applied to the partner program, got approved on day 31. And I want to be crystal clear, this is fast, abnormally fast. The data says most Faceless channels take 3 to 6 months and 60 to 80 uploads. I got there with 3 videos because video 2 hit a search wave at the right time. That is not a strategy you can guarantee. That is a strategy you can stack the odds for. All right, the part you have been waiting for. First 30 days after monetization. $412 in ad revenue. Not life-changing, but it was real. Money from 3 videos I made in my bedroom. My RPM on those videos? About $11.40. That is in the expected range for personal finance content, $8 to $22 per 1,000 views. But ads are just stream 1. I added affiliate links in the description, brokerage sign-up bonuses, a budgeting app. That brought in another $230 in the first 60 days. And the fan funding tier had been earning small amounts through super thanks, about $45. Not much, but it started before ad revenue kicked in. Total, across roughly 60 days, about $690 from 3 videos. Now compare that to the cost. My entire tool stack was under $30. And here is the context the thumbnails will not show you. A 22-year-old named Adavia Davis runs Faceless AI channels, generating roughly $700,000 a year. Fortune magazine reviewed his actual AdSense records. He works about 2 hours a day across multiple channels. His videos cost $60 to produce. His viewers are often asleep. That is the ceiling. My $690 is the realistic beginning. Both are real. Neither is the whole story. 3 things I would do differently, and 1 warning. 1. I would batch produce. I made 3 videos sequentially. If I had made 10 before publishing the first, the algorithm would have had more to work with. 2. I would invest more in thumbnails. My first thumbnail was not good. Click-through rate was under 3%. After I redesigned it, CTR jumped to 7. Same video, completely different performance. 3. I would start a short strategy to funnel viewers to long form. Shorts RPM is brutal, 3 to 8 cents per 1,000 views, but shorts drive discovery. Long form drives revenue. Use them together. And the warning, About 97% of faceless automation channels never reach monetization. Most people quit at months 4 to 6, right before the algorithm starts compounding. If you try this, go in knowing it is a months-long commitment, not a weekend hack. So here is your one next step. Not 5. 1. Go to YouTube, search the niche you are thinking about. Find the top 10 videos from the last 6 months. Write down their titles, their lengths, and their view counts. That is your market research. That is your content calendar. That is your first 10 videos, outlined for free by the algorithm itself. If you want, I will do a follow-up breaking down my exact script template, the retention structure, the hook formulas, the editing rhythm. If this video gets enough interest, I will make it. Hit subscribe if you want that, and I will see you in the next one.